Choosing the right electric chainsaw can be tricky. Low power, short battery life, and bulky designs often make cutting jobs harder than they should be. That's where modern, cordless electric chainsaws stand out. They're lightweight, efficient, and powerful enough for pruning, wood cutting, and even small tree jobs. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric chainsaws. Reliable, portable, and built for both home and professional use. We analyzed product features in real user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5. Electric Goddess 8-inch 1380W Brushless Chainsaw. The Electric Goddess 8-inch chainsaw is a compact yet powerful tool designed for garden pruning and light wood cutting. With a 1380W brushless motor, it delivers smooth performance, longer lifespan, and better efficiency than traditional motors. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even for beginners. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it offers great portability for outdoor tasks. The sharp chain ensures clean and precise cuts, while its compact size makes it perfect for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and quick yard work. Number 4. ONEVAN 4500W 8-inch brushless electric chainsaw. The ONEVAN 4500W chainsaw is built for users who need serious cutting power and a small package. Featuring a high-speed 45,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers fast and efficient cutting performance. The built-in oil spray system helps keep the chain lubricated, improving durability and smooth operation. Designed for Makita battery compatibility, it ensures flexibility and convenience. Despite its power, it remains lightweight and easy to control. Ideal for woodworking, pruning, and medium-duty cutting tasks, this chainsaw balances strength and portability perfectly. Number 3. Tungfull 12/16-inch cordless electric chainsaw. The Tungfull electric chainsaw stands out with its larger 12-inch and 16-inch bar options, making it suitable for heavier cutting jobs. Its high-power motor delivers strong performance for tree cutting, wood logging, and farm use. Designed as a cordless tool, it offers freedom of movement without the hassle of cables. The ergonomic handle improves grip and reduces fatigue during longer sessions. Although the battery is not included, it supports lithium battery setups, making it versatile. Perfect for homeowners and DIY users needing extra cutting reach and power. Number 2. SEESII 8-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The SEESII 8-inch Mini Chainsaw is one of the best choices for quick and efficient pruning tasks. Its compact handheld design makes it extremely easy to use even with one hand. Powered by a reliable motor, it cuts through branches and small logs with impressive speed. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it offers flexibility for users who already own compatible tools. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for garden maintenance, trimming trees, and small DIY jobs. This chainsaw is ideal for beginners and casual users alike. Number 1. Electric Goddess 12-inch brushless electric chainsaw. The Electric Goddess 12-inch chainsaw takes the top spot with its powerful performance and versatile design. Equipped with a high-speed 7,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers strong and consistent cutting for both light and heavy tasks. Its larger bar size makes it suitable for cutting thicker wood in small trees. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it provides excellent portability and convenience. The ergonomic build ensures comfortable handling, while the sharp chain delivers clean, efficient cuts. Perfect for yard work, wood cutting, and outdoor projects. Electric chainsaws offer the perfect mix of power, portability, and convenience. Whether you need a compact tool for pruning or a larger model for heavy cutting, these 5 options deliver excellent value. Choose the one that fits your needs and make your cutting tasks faster and easier. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.